Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to move your contacts to your Gmail account on your Android device. This is a great way to ensure your contacts are stored securely in your Google account, making them easily accessible across all your devices. Let's jump right in. Step 1. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by searching for it in the search bar. Step 2. Once the Contacts app is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with more options. Step 3. From the menu, select Manage Contacts. This will take you to the settings where you can manage your contacts and account preferences. Step 4. Now, tap on Move Contacts. This option will allow you to transfer your contacts from one account to another. Step 5. You'll be prompted to select where to move your contacts from. Choose the account that currently holds your contacts. This might be a local device account or another email account. Step 6. Next, select the Gmail account you want to move your contacts to. This is where your contacts will be stored moving forward. Step 7. Once you've selected the account, tap on Move. This will start the process of transferring your contacts to your Gmail account. Step 8. Finally, tap on OK to confirm the action, and the transfer will be complete. And that's it. Your contacts are now successfully moved to your Gmail account. You can access them anytime from any device logged into your Google account. It's that simple. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.